When you have a field that will commonly contain the same information record after record, you can specify a default value to appear when entering that record. The default value will allow you to simply skip over that field while typing, and it will automatically put in the most common information. Of course, if you would like to change it, you can. The default value is simply a suggestion. Let's add one to our customers table. I'm going to right-click on my customers table and switch directly to design view. For my state, let's say I want to add a default value of the state of California, where most of my customers live. I'll go down to the default value property here and click once. When I do that, this build button opens over here on the right. I'll click the build button, and that will start the expression builder. Here's where I'm going to type in what I want my default value to be. I'm going to type equals, quotation mark, capital C, capital A, and a closing quotation mark. This is telling Access that I want the default value to literally be the letters C and A for California. We'll go ahead and say OK, and that default value will get populated down here. Now let's try it out. I'll save the changes to my structure of the table here, and then switch into Datasheet view. Now I'll go down and add a new record by clicking the New Record button down here. You notice when I get down there that the state is already pre-populated with California. I could type in what I want for my values, and I'll just tab through these here. And when I get to the city, I can type in what city I want. And when I press tab again, if it's California, great. Just press tab one more time to skip over that and keep going with the zip code. I'm going to press shift tab to back up a little bit. Now let's say I want to enter in a different city and state. And now when I get to the state, if I want to do Texas, for example, I just type in TX like I would normally, and then tab to go into the zip code field. So however I want to do it, if I want to accept California, I can. If I need to change it, I can do that as well. Now while we're here in Datasheet view, I should point out that we can also set the default value by selecting a field, then going to the Table Tools Field tab here. I'll select the default value option here, and that also starts the expression builder. Adding default values to your table designs is an easy way to speed up data entry by automatically suggesting the most common values for a particular field.